Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox keyboard sound. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox keyboard sound, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about this window of Roblox. Then in this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you find it, you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.